ba ntse phoso e ba yentseng gore ba go dumella re kena top 8. That was the biggest mistake.
No trying ka Nedbank.
Edi team tse ding di yentseng. Jalo we are taking what belongs to us.
Ska Nedbank.
Pirates a ke tsebena ntsetsa ka 10 men o ba bapala so so way
we go 120 minutes.
It's fine, it's okay. Vele mina bengifuna iwin Orlando Pirates. I wanted them to win. Ngobani ngifuna kube yithina esibashayayo.
Trust me, Kaizer Chiefs is winning the M10-8 this season. We are winning the M10-8. Not because we would be a great team in a tournament or anything, but I just feel like we're just gonna get that luck and win the M10-8. You can see that the Cruzman is like Nabi. He has those Nabi characteristics. He's going to be as lucky as Nabi was with the Nedbank Cup. So I'm thinking we are winning the M10-8. We're gonna bring to an end Orlando Pirates' reign in the M10-8. So we're gonna win it. We're gonna win that cup. The M10-8 is going back to Naturena after so many years. Trust me.
I-Pirates iyadlala Saturday. I-Sundowns iyadlala Sunday. I-Kaizer Chiefs iyabukela Saturday na Sunday.
Bona. Futek man. Where guy? Machilao. Mukhala bethu. Ukafita wana bus.
Phela musumthuka.
Fasad. Uyisaka bakhala.
Ayibanga ola mthuthu le.
Wayenganqobi yazi. Cause babi. Habanye bakai.
Sikukuni, the whole South Africa is depending on you, Mokhalave. The whole South Africa is depending on you. But how banele shata kudu banele shalaza bo. But how banele shata blind. When I go to pala go disturb paka liki ban check ara di sim card chuwe. O ka do pala go ba disturb paka liki ban check ara di sim card. Agere. And then eba ka go tlhola ka tricky ka di sim card 10 ba tlape ka liki mon. Ba ka so pala ka tsona ka moka mon. Wa mon. O ka ba jiwa me be check e meraro ka moka mon. Apa re win ka moka awa. Win at least one ya league. Agere or o nya go ba disturb ka second league ya drill. Ka second league ya day. Ya M10-8. 8 ya tsona dia something man. Give us something man. Wa mon. O ka zo clapiwa so ha itre. Was kuku. Apo ka ta palla ma da wa so to di aro na mpile le rena re thoma go wela staff. Was o to kinya shaka team di nyane mona. Team di nyane di lebeletse gape.
The only reason Pirates won MTN 8 is because Chiefs was not participating.
Guy, you go.
Eish nentse ke re ba mpe Pirates ke nana ba mphomotsa nyane. Hey
Akena left back.
ke nana re relax. A ke tsebe ba silwana Chiefs ipatile kae.
So you are not ready for Bapagani? You are not ready.
No. Hey. Re ntse re bapala mare ka bana le mbuduma re tla tswela pele. Ka bana le mbuduma re tla tswela pele. Ga ka ke na mantswe a mangata se lo re fela. Se lo re fela muthano tau.
68.
Ndoda yamadoda.
Ubukhateni wakho.
Jason ngicela ningekele nje kancane please man.
Ngamuphi unobangela? Ngoba thina sigcwele ngawo sesishaya ngawo ukuthi uphikelele amabhilidi nase 68.
Azi noma nayikho into engizoyiringa.
Esithi man. Awuthi imizuzu ndoda yamadoda ayathola nje le nombolo edala enhlamvelanga nje cha abafuthi bayaphakamisa ngawe ndoda. Ithi uyindoda yamadoda namhlanje uyayibamba inombolo.
Awuyeke kuhamba ngalo line okufaka umsile enduni. Le inombolo zidalile ziqinisa umkhosi zimisa umkhosi ngenyawo zombili. Ingakho kumele uphikelele emabhilidi nase 68.
Manje ngithini James ngithini ukuthi kumnyama kubomvu kwamele ngithathe inombolo ngibe yi68.
ukuthi uphikelele emabhilidini ase-68 kube ijangeli phezu kwejangeli noma kube umshimane phezu komshimane ijombolo phezu kojombolo. Ukhona umngani wami omncane uMagubane awudaleza ngaphandle sokuswezeza la kudlula khona amababa idibene.
I-Orlando Pirates izodlala kawu-3 nesikhukhune kulandelana. Game yokuqala izoba ngeweekend MTN 8 First League, AS2 i-League phakathi neviki next week Tuesday, bese AS3 MTN 8 Second League next week Saturday. Leyaviki leya angeke bawine u3 lama game, ngeke khona la kumele bashaywe khona labantu. Yabona isikhukhune masingaba nomusa nje bavimbe lapha ku MTN 8. Ngiyayibona i-league anginankinga nayo, abavimbe lapha ku MTN 8, abavinjwa abantu. Kulinda u12 unuye yini abantu bangavinjwa? Akuvinjwe labantu lapha ku MTN 8. Ayikho phela lento abafuna ukuyenza labantu, ayikho. Bafuna ukuyithatha kayi5 in a row and badabuka la baya kwi-final bazoyithatha. Lezi zoyithatha abafana za ku-final. These people, they don't play the final, they win the final. Well, at least when it comes to MTN 8, they win it. Akuvinjwa abantu.
Yo nyasizwela isikhukhune sabantu Nkosi yami. Awu babina nuku nyanizwela she. Niyodlala nathi kayi3 ngokulandelana. Sidlala nani Saturday, sidlale nani Tuesday, sodlala nani again Saturday. Nyanizwela seniyofela nokuthi sanithuma umsebenzi osimple ukuthi nihambe nosenzela umsebenzi osimple nahluleka. Senzofela naloko ke senofela nje net naloko ke hayi angifuni ukukhuluma okuningi nethi nyanizwela shem babina nuku.
Siyasebenza la madoda, cela usiye kusiphazamisa please.
Ngibuza ukuthi i-meeting imayelana nani?
Raso